July 19th. I finally went over there and picked up that pickup truck that my aunt gave me. It's a 92, what is it, a WT 1500. It's got the typical Michigan rust along the bottom of the door and the fender. It's dirty as hell. It's got a nice seat, it's just dirty. I mean, this is a plain Jane truck. Roll up windows, no radio, no air conditioning, no cruise control, V6 with a 4-speed automatic. Whoa. Yeah, it's got this funky thing on the front here. It's got cab corners gone, rear wheel wells gone, needs a mirror, needs a crossover pipe. Came with that aluminum shell on the back, scrap. With that stupid thing. It runs good, it needs a crossover pipe. I don't know. Putty knife. Yeah. Inside the bed's okay, I guess. I don't know. I haven't looked under here. Yeah, under there it looks like brand new. Yeah, finally got it. Today my home nurse that came, she informed me that my white blood count is over 22, and the normal person is about 10. So I'm in bad shape. I'm a walking zombie right now. I feel like I could pass out at any minute. So with that, I'll talk to you later. I want to thank everyone for their continued prayers and well wishes, and just happy good thoughts for me. My doctor informed me that I will definitely be putting up a fight this time. So I got so much crap I gotta do around here. Tiling the front entryway, but I can't finish that right now. I got all this extra tile that I want to get rid of. Just a bunch of blah blah blah, you know, like I gotta finish this kitchen one of these days. I got so much shit that I gotta do that I'll probably never get around to doing any of it. I'll be lucky if I make it out of the hospital, to tell you the truth. Alright, thanks everybody. I'll talk to you later.